students. Now we going to discuss about chapter 2 linear equations in a one variable case exercise 2.3. So here both side are x terms are there. In expression left side also variable is there, right side also variable is there. Then how to solve and find out that variable value. That is the exercise 2.3. They asking how to solve means x term bring to one side and constant terms send to opposite side and find out the x value. That is the procedure for finding a x value. Easy you read that. So first question, solve 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So here see left side also x term is there, right side also x term is there. X term bring to left side. Here right side 2x, that is the like term. That's why that bring to left side means a symbol change, sign there change. Plus 2 goes to left side, change it to minus 2x. Right side which number is there? Constant number 18 is the constant means number carrying no variable terms, like that terms we call it as a constant term. Here 18 it have no variable terms, that's why. Then coefficients of x take here 3, here 2. 3 minus 2 become how much? 1x. 1x means x. X is equal to what is the answer? 18 is the answer. I hope you can understand. X value become 18. Like this way all questions in that exercise 2.3 all questions same procedure only. Next, second question. Here say solve 2y plus 5 by 3 equal 26 by 3 minus 5. Here also y term bring to left side, a constant term send to right side. So 2y is there. Then from right side minus y is there. Minus y bring to left side, change it to plus y equal right side already which constant term? 26 by 3 is there. From left side which is our constant term, plus 5 by 3 is the constant term. That term sent to opposite side, plus goes to opposite side comes to be minus 5 by 3. Then coefficients of y terms take. Here coefficient of y is 2. Here coefficient of y is 1, but here operation is addition, so 2 plus 1 comes to be how much? 3y is equal to, there here see both of them are a subtraction, fractional form. This one subtraction, they have same denominator, that's why no problem, direct numerator part we can subtract. 26 minus 5 comes to be how much? 21 by same denominator 3 we write. Same denominator means same denominator, right? Numerator part basis of operation, add or so here operation is subtraction doing, that's why we subtract. Then check it 3 table possible or not. Yes, 3 table 3 into 7 comes to be 21. 3 into 3 table 3 one time. Then so we get a 3y is equal to 7. Our aim find out which value a variable, which is a variable, y variable. We learned multiplied number goes to opposites, where it coming, it comes on the denominator of the right side. Right side which number? 7. Denominator coming means 7 by 3 is the y value. This is the meaning of this second question. I hope you can understand. The next third question also solve type question. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. That is the question. Next for third question solve 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5 is the question. Here also what we want to do, like terms, t terms bring to one side, constant terms send to opposite. So here 5t is there, our t term now it is in the right side, plus 3t that bring to left side, change it to minus 3t equal, which is a constant, minus 5 is the right side constant term. Right side constant have no change there, keep there. Here left side which is a constant term, minus 3 is the constant term, that minus 3 goes to right side, symbol change as a plus 3. Then next step calculation. Coefficient of t take a 5 3 which operation? Minus operation. 5 minus 3 become how much? 2t equal which way? One is negative integer, other is a positive integer. What we want to do? Separate different symbol means what we want to do, subtract and put a big number side. So 5 minus 3 become how much? 2. Which is bigger number? 5 is bigger number. Symbol of 5 is which symbol? Minus. So that's why we get a right side answer as a minus 2. Our aim is to which value finding? A t variable find. T is equal to right side minus 2 is there, multiplied 2 goes to right side, comes to be denominator. Same number cancellation means it will become what is the answer? 1. But here a minus is there, therefore our t value become how much? Minus t by minus 1 is the answer. T value become minus 1 is the answer. I hope you can understand this problem. The next third question, 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x, this is the question. 5x plus 9 equal 5 plus 3x. Here also x term bring to one side, constant term send to opposite side, and solve for x variable. So here 5x is there in right side, which is our x term, 3x is our x term, that is plus 3x. Bring to left side means simple change, minus 3x bring to left side, change it to plus 3x, send to opposite side, it comes to be minus 3x. Equal 5 already the right side, then which is our constant term in left side, plus 9 is the constant term, plus 9 send to opposite side, change it to minus 9. Then here calculation x terms coefficient calculated. Coefficient here 5, here coefficient is 3. Which operation? Minus operation. That's why 5 minus 3 become how much? 2x. Right side become how much? 5 is a positive integer, 9 is a negative integer. Opposite side means what we want to do? Subtract and put a big number sign. So 9 minus 5 become how much? 4. Which is the bigger number? Symbol 9 is the bigger number. Symbol is minus. That's why answer become minus 4. Here right and left in this way cancellation do, or bring to left side comes to be anyway you can do that. 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 4 2 10, but minus is there, that's why minus 2. That's why what we get 1x means x value become how much? Minus 2 become the x value. That is the meaning of this question. Next this is the fourth question. This is our fourth question. Next fifth question. Next we go through fifth question. Fifth question that tells about 8x plus 4 equal 8x plus 4 equal 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. X minus 1 plus 7 is the next fifth question. Fifth question that tells that 8x plus 4 equal 3 into bracket is there, x minus 1 plus 7 is the bracket inside number. First how to solve this one? Haribari note exchanging. First give preference for calculation of the bracket. How to calculate bracket? Outside number is multiplied to inside each number and open the bracket. Then second step x term bring to one side and a constant term send to opposite side. So here 8x plus 4 equal, here open the bracket, 3 into x become 3x, and distributive property apply. Distributive multiplication over a subtraction case, here we apply. 3 into x become 3x, here minus 3 into 1 become 3 plus 7. In this way calculation doing. Again second step 8x plus 4 equal 3x. Here one is negative, other is positive. Both are constant term. Calculation after do, or right side left side constant term bring and do any way. So opposite side means subtract. 7 minus 3 become how much? 4. Which is bigger number? 7 is bigger. Symbol of 7 is plus. That's why plus 4. Then next bring a left variable term bring to one side, a constant term send to opposite side. So 8x plus 3 goes to left side, change it to minus 3x plus 4 already there. Here plus 4 is the plus 4 goes to opposite side, it to become minus 4. So 8 minus 3 become how much? 5. And which variable? X variable. Coefficient subtract and put the same variable. Equal 4 minus 4 comes to be how much? 0. So x is equal to 0 by by 5, 0, 5 table when we get to 0, 0 only. So x value become how much? Therefore, x value become 0 is our answer. This is the meaning of this question. In this way, we want to solve. Then next, another question. Sixth question. Another sixth question tells about x is equal to 4 by 5 into bracket inside x plus 10 is there. In this way they given. Sixth question, x is equal to 4 by 5 into bracket x plus 10. So what we do here also, first we give preference for open the bracket. How to open the bracket? Distributive property applying distributive of multiplication over addition property. Outside number is multiplied to first number, again outside number is multiplied to the second number. That distributive property here we going to apply that. So answer write it as x is equal 4 by 5 into x. So 4 by 5 into x means 4 by 5 into x plus again 4 by 5 is multiplied with the second number 10. Cancellation possible, cancelled after right. 5 and 10 cancellation, 5 table 10 when it is 2 10. 5 table 5 1 10. Denominator become 1 only. Again calculation doing x is equal to here 4 by 5 into x means how we can write 4 by 5 x plus 4 2s are how much? 8. Next procedure x term bring to one side a constant term send to opposite. Here which is x term, this is our x term, that one bring to left side plus 4 by 5 x bring to left side change it to minus 4 by 5 x is equal to right side which number? Constant number 8 is the plus 8 means we again need not want to put to plus 8 is understood 8 symbol of 8 is a plus a positive integer rule. So again need not want to put a plus, don't be confused with that. Then next x coefficient is 1 is a whole number form, another is a fractional number form. What we want to do here LCM form, how we can do the LCM? Denominator 5 cross multiply with x and whole divided by a denominator LCM 5 right. 5 into x become 5x minus 4x. 4 into x become 4x whole divided by denominator 5. Or otherwise you feel in this method you feel confusion means you can do in this way here denominator how note that for avoiding confusion denominator per place you can put a denominator as 1. Then LCM become how much? 5 is our LCM. Each term that in this way do means so many calculations are there. That's why 4 by 5x into 5 whole divided with 5 is equal to 8. Then 5 and the same number cancelled. 1 is the answer. So x into 5 become how much? 5x minus 4 into x become 4x divided by denominator is 5. Again we want a x term only. That's why here this denominator 5 send to right side. The right side how to send a cross multiply and send cross multiplication doing here I continuing 5 into 8 become how much? 5 8s are 40. So we can write it as 5x minus 4x is equal to 5 is cross multiply with 8. 5 4 8s are how much? 40. Here see they have a x term, their coefficients take. So coefficient 5 minus 4 become how much? Minus place 5 minus 4 is 1x is equal to how much? For x value become 40 is our x value. So x value become 40. This is the sixth question format. Here directly cross multiply or LCM take and in this way format you can do any method you can follow. And denominator coming here, that denominator part cross multiply to the right side. Cross multiply then 5 8s are how much? 40. So 5x minus 4x equal 40. Our aim is to find out the value for the variable x. So x is 5 minus 4 become 1x equal right side which number? 40. So x value become how much? 40 is the answer. Next we go through 7th question. 2 by 3x plus 1 equals 7 by 15x plus 3. How to solve this one? Here like terms bring to one side. So 2 by 3x plus 7 by 15 bring to left side, change it to minus 7 by 15x equal, right side which number is there? 3 is there, plus 1 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 1. Again, here left side like terms, but they are a fractional numbers. Direct calculation, direct subtraction not possible. That's why what we want to do, find out LCM and make us a same denominator. So 3 and 15 are the denominator. Which prime number use to divide? 3. 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 15 5 time. Again 5 is a prime number. That's why again we divided with a prime number 5. 5 table 5 1 time. So what is our factors? 3 5s are how much? 15 is the LCM. So each fraction 2 by 3x is multiplied with LCM 15 minus 7 by 15x is multiplied with LCM 15 whole divided with LCM 15 equal, right side which number is there? 3 minus 1 comes to be 2 is there. That one don't forget to don't forget. Then next 3 and 15. Cancel 3 table 3 1, 3 table 15 5 times. Again same number cancellation means it become how much? 1. Then 2 into 5 become how much? 10x minus 7 into 1 become how much? 7x divided with 15 equal, right side which number is there? 2 is there. Next process, our aim is to find the x term, x variable 1. That's why remaining part 1 by 1 send it to right side. So denominator 15 goes to opposite side, it comes to be where a numerator, that means 15 is cross multiplied with 2. So we get how much? 10x minus 7x is equal to 15 into 2 become how much? 30. Then coefficients of the left side part are x terms, like terms they are coefficients take and calculation do it. 10 minus 7 become how much? 3x equal, right side which number is there? 30 is there. So x value become how much? Here right and left side cancellation possible. 3 table 3 1 time, 3 table 30 10 time. So 1x means x value become how much? Right side part is 10. So x value become 10 is the answer. I hope you can understand this question. Remaining questions and remaining exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.